இனிய பொங்கல் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Happy Pongal to all. Hi friends, welcome to our channel VidhyutYash. Cook with VidhyutYash. Today we going to eat Pongal.
If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna make 2 Pongal. One is sweet Pongal, one is white Pongal. Please have your mommy or daddy with you. Let's get started. Water is boiling in 2 pots. Let's add this for sweet Pongal.
White Pongal.
Now add this for white Pongal. Pongalloo Pongal. Pongalloo Pongal. Pongalloo Pongal. Pongalloo Pongal. Add jaggery. Mix well.
The white Pongal is ready.
Now let's make sweet Pongal.
Add ghee.
1, 2. Add dry grapes. Add cashews. Now let's add cardamom. Let's get roasted. Add chopped coconuts and milk. Mix well.
Now it's sweet Pongal. It's ready.
If you want more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye Pongal.
Happy Pongal to all.
Happy Pongal. Bye. Pongal, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Happy Pongal.
Nice.